Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you the challenge explained for the FundedNext. Now the first thing first, what you're gonna have, they offer Forex, metals, indices, energies, and crypto. You can use CTrader, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and you're gonna have crypto-wise as a paid for kind of like the payment. Now here, the payouts. So you're gonna have the account size. So you're gonna have Stellar 1 setup, Stellar 2 setup, and there you're gonna have like 6K, 15K, 25K, 50K, 100K, 200K account sizes. And then you're gonna have also the Stellar Lite, which is cheaper but tighter rules. So you can even go with that. You can have like even the 5K here, and the fee is lower. So the fee increases based on the account size, right? That makes sense. Now you have another thing that is called like instant funding. You can have no profit target, no daily drawdown, 6% trading max loss, and payout on demand after 5% profit. And you can have profits split 60 to 80%. But here we're gonna look here, you're gonna have like here like 8%, the target for the phase 1, phase 2 also 5%, and then you can have the maximum loss limit 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. Everybody's 10%, but let's focus. Let's say we're gonna go with the 6K here and how it's going to look like. Then you can also daily loss limit, and this is like how much you can actually lose in that specific day. So let's say one day you're gonna lose 100, you're gonna find, but let's say in one day you're gonna have lose $400. That's a problem. You can have news trending on all, reward up to 95%, a minimum trading days that you have to trade 5 days, and first withdrawal 21 days. And then you can have like also refundable free. You see here, right? He's like they refund the full price. And this is something that you can actually see. Now, what is allowed and what is not allowed? This is what is important in this video. So you can trade news with restrictions, AI trading for MT4, MT5, copy trading between FundedNext challenge accounts only, trading all assets classes. Not allowed, you can't copy trades across funded accounts, switching between AI and manual trading, execution trades 5 minutes before and after high impact news, using multiple IPs, challenge account rolling, sacrificing accounts to pass others, or changing strategy to risk drastically after passing. So that's something that you have to be aware of. And there you see like for example, the light. And you see right here also that you can have like changes here that you have to be aware of. So that's pretty much it for this video, where I wanted to like explain to you. It really depends. Now like FundedNext got good reviews, so that's up to you for test it out to see for yourself. Of course, you can have a link down below in the description for bonuses and things like that. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.